So as you can see on the video, the remote works perfectly because there is no disturbance or any object that covers the remote. So that's why the remote can send the infrared waves without any hassle.
The paper will scatter the infrared but the IR will still pass through the paper so the range over. You can still operate the remote control button through it.
As you can see in the video, the towel didn't stop the television from opening because the towel is not thick enough to cover the remote.
The plastic is not enough to stop a television from opening. The plastic is transparent so that the infrared light in the remote can pass through even though there is a plastic covering it.
As you can see in the video, the foil stopped the television from opening because it's too thick to cover the remote.